In today's Doric virtual religious service reading, we'll be opening in prayer with musical composition or Psalm 10, followed by Paul's letters to the group in Thessalonica. We'll begin with prayer, reading musical composition 10. A meester breaks the arm of the wicked. Fly, meester, have ye abstained far off, and neglected, at opportune times in afflictions. In the being prideful, by the impious ane, a poor ane is brunt. They are seized by the deliberations fit they argue, for the wrongdoer applauds, in the inklings of his sentient being, on the ane dean wrong blisses himself. A wrongdoer provoketh the meester according to the magnitude of his anger. He will nae seek after Aul Mither. Aul Mither is nae afore him. His ways are profane at all time. Your judgments are taken awa fae in front of him. He will dominate all his enemies. For he said in his heart, in nae way should I be shaken fae generation to generation. I will exist without all happening. O fu his ban, his moo is full o, on bitterness, on treachery. Under his tongue is tile and misery. He lies in wait to ambush, with a wheel gittert, in hodden to kill the sackless. His een look counter and needy. He lies in wait, in hodden, as a lion in his lair. He lies in wait to grasp at the wa a poor. To grasp at the wa a poor, when he lures him. In his snare he humbles him. He will boo and fall in his dominating the needy, for he said in his heart, Aul Mither has been nae mined. He wummelt his dish to nae see till the een. Reese up, meester, Aul Mither, reese up heek your han, to nae fail in minin your needy till the een. For fit reason did the impious ane provoke Aul Mither to anger. For he said in his heart, he will nae require an account. Ye see, for you contemplate misery on rampage, to deliver him into your hands. A poor abandoned himself to you. To the fatherless ye were a helper. Brock the arm of the wrongdoer on a wicked dane. His wrong will be sought for, and in nae way will he be fun. A meester is king into all time, and into time of all time. Ye will be knocked, nations, fae out of his land. Ye heard the desire of the needy, meester. Your lug took heed to the preparation of their heart. To judge the fatherless on the hummel, at men should nae proceed to still blaw upon the earth. And now we'll read Paul's first letter to the group in Thessalonica. A first scriven of Paul to Thessalonians. Chapter 1. For Paul, Silvanus, and Timothy, to folk o Doric callings in Thessalonica, for belong to Aul Mither, a father, on a meester Jesus en Itentin, Favor and peace be wi' ye. We are aye thanking Almighty for ye and minin on ye in our prayers. You're aye minin fu ye pot your faith to work. Your love a hard graft on a hope at ye have through our Meester Jesus en Itateen, in the sick to Almighty. We cannot nay only dis Almighty lu ye, but he's chosen ye to do special works. We brought the good sin till ye, nay just in words, but in poor on a pure spirit. Kennen fu richt it wis. Ye ken fu we dwelt amo ye, on all for your sake. Ye took we is, on we a meester, in muckle joy, though it meant a guy sair chav for ye at the time. You were a fine example to all them fa believe, baith in Macedonia, and Achaia. 'Cause ye sounded out the word o' a meester, nae just in Macedonia and Achaia, but in all foreign places, at the word o' your faith has spread. Fit mair need we say. They themselves have spread a word of fu we come till ye, and ye turned for your idols to the true Almighty. And fu your hale lives are new looking for it, till a coming o' his Son, fa heaven, his loony, Jesus, fa he rees fa deed, to rescue his, fa Almighty's anger to come. Chapter 12. Ye ken yourselves, my loons and quines, at were visit to ye was nae for nathan. As ye ken, we got a guy sair time out at Philippi, but we come to see you, 'cause Almighty gied his strength to tell ye a good send, in spite o' a chav. Where message to ye is a troth, where deans are pure, and we're nae trying to chet ye. But we spec a good send at Almighty trusted as we. We are nae seeking to please onybody, but to please Almighty, fa kens a very heart to us. We didna come till ye merely mood, nor did we use words to hop up ony kind of greed. Almighty kens that. We didna seek ony esteem for folk, neither for youings, nor naebody else, even though as a neetateen sins, we mith hae putten a barn on ye. But we're gentle, when we were amo ye, just like a nursey taking care o' her bairnies. 'Cause we loo ye sae muckle, we were glad to gie ye nae just a news o' a guid send o' Almighty, but were very sentient beings. Ye were sae dear to us. Ye'll hae mine, my loons and quines, fu we workit and chaved agither. We workit nicht and day, say at we're preaching o' a guid send, mithna cost ye a make. Ye're witnesses, just as Almighty is, o' fu pure and just and guid living we were, when we was amo ye. Ye'll mind fu we took ilka een o' ye through han, een be een, like a feyther, we is bairnies, heartening ye, comforting ye, and prigging we ye to be worthy o' Almighty, for cause ye till his kingdom, on his esteem. Say we're aye thankful, at when ye heard his preaching a word o' Almighty, ye took it in. nae just as a speck of human folk, but as a truth, a word almighty, working in all ye for believe. Ye've fared nae better nor a congregations in a borica callings o Jesus and Nitatin in Judea. Ye've been teen throwhan by your ain countryfolk, as they themselves were by yours. They did a war wi' a meester Jesus, on their ain prophets and drave is out. They dinna please Almighty, and counter all men. Hardness for speaking to them and are nae yows about the news of salvation. A doot they're just fessin' till a heed the ill-dean wise they've aye followed, and Almighty's anger is about to come doon o'er a heed o' them. My loons and quines, though we're parted fae ye for a wee filey, we're hert are aye wi' ye, and we're mangin' to see ye all a mair. Say I, Paul, I'm longing to come and see ye, mair nor eens, but the deal has gotten in a way o' it. Fittest were hope, were joy, were croon o' rejoicing. It's neen but youings, standing afore a Meester Jesus, at his coming. 'Cause ye're were pride and were joy. Chapter 3. Say, when we couldna stay ony mair, we thought it the best thing for me to bide in Athens, and send Timothy, we're brother and minister o' Almighty. We're crony, i' that we'd send o' Nitatin, to gie ye a firm foon, and strengthen ye in your faith. We didna wint ony o' ye to tent hurt, 'cause o' a troubles we're hain. At's just the kind o' things we Christians maun expect. Mind, when we were wi' ye, we warn't ye o' siccan troubles, and say it's turned out, as ye ken. At's a why, when I couldna stand it nae longer, I sent somebody to see fu your faith was standing up till it. For fear a deal had tempted ye in all our work had been for Nathan. But new, Timothy has just come straight for ye till is, fessin' the good news o' your faith and love. He says ye I think weel o' is, and you're mangin' to see is, just as we're mangin' to see you. Say in all our troubles and sufferings, we're rail shooted by your faith, my bairnies. It's a breath o' life till is, at ye stand stoot in a measter. For we can thank Almighty enough for all a pleasure ye gie is, and we serve him, prayin' sair, day and nicht, at we mit see ye again, and sort out your faith, far it mit be winten. Mit Almighty, were Father, himsel, and were Meester Jesus and Nitatin, steer were fit till ya. Mit the Meester mak your love for een another, and for all other folk, grow and pour out, just as ours dis for youins. Mit he mak your heart stout, pure and faultless, afore Almighty were Father, van were Meester Jesus en Nitatin comes we all his folk. Chapter 4. And fits mair, my friends, we would prig wi' ye, for a sake o' Meester Jesus, at ye would hod at learning mair and mair about the wise at please Almighty, a kind o' life we tell't ye about afore. Your mind on the commandments we give you in the name of the Master Jesus. Almighty's plan is to make you pure. Je man hard away for non-marital sexual intercourse. Ilke ene je man learn through to take control of your body in a pure and honorable way. Nay in a pleasure or sex like at heathens, at dinna ken almighty. Nay man can break his rowel, without some way or another chetting his neighbor. Je man mind at almighty will sort out sick chills. As we telled you afore, and we've seen this happen, 'cause almighty didn't cause to live in foolness, but in pureness. And whoever rejects this is nae rejecting the rowels of men, but the rowels of almighty. At same almighty forgives is a pure spirit. I dinna need to write till you about luin een another. Almighty himself has learnt ye to lue een another. And already you're doing it to all our folk that are in Macedonia. And I prig wi ye, my friends, at ye hard at it. I keep a calm sentient being, and mind your ain business, and work wi your ain hands, as we tell ye to do. At why, you'll win the respect of them wha dinna believe, and at the same time, you'll wint for naething. But we dinna want ye, my friends, to be in ony doubt about them wha have fallen asleep in death. Dinna sorrow for them, like a chills at have nae hope. After all, gin we believe at Jesus died and rose again, sincerely we can believe at Almighty will fix wi Jesus all them that are sleeping in him. Fit we're saying till ye is a word o' Master. Them far still living when he comes, when a young afore them that are sleeping. A Master will come down fra heaven, wi a roar o' command, wi a voice o' a ark send, and wi a trump o' Almighty, and them wha did believe in Christ, o a neetateen, believing in a neetateen, will be a foremost to rise up. Sign sick o' his, as are living at the time, will be swiped up with them until a clouds, to meet the Master in the air. And after that, will be we a Master forever, heartening een another wi his words. Chapter 5. As far as the times and the seasons gang, my friends, I dinna need to write till ye. Ye ken perfectly well at the day of a Master comes like a thief in the night. When folk say all things quiet and soft, it's when they'll come till a crochination, like a birth pangs o' a woman, and naebody'll win fa't. But you, my friends, are nae in the mark. Say a day winna tak ye like a thief. Ye're all a bairns o' licht, a bairns o' a day. We dinna belong till a nicht nor a mark. Say we mauna sleep like a lave, but keep a guid lookout and bide sober. It's at nicht at folk sleep. It's at nicht they get fu. But we're a folk o' a dialect, and we winna get fu. Put on a breastplate o' faith and hope, on a bonnet of salvation. Almighty didn't pick is to be ill-nettered we is, but to win salvation through Jesus en Nitateen. We're meester, vad dit for is. Say we myth bide together we am, whether we're sleeping or walking. Say cheer een another up, strengthen een another just as ye've I deen. And I'm seeking ye, my friends, to get to ken them for work say here to mo ye, and steer ye in the wise o' a meester, and keep ye in the richt gate. Reese them out and hold them in your hearts for a work they do. Hold at peace amo yourselves. And we'd prig wi ye, my friends, to hold in about them at out the hand. Encourage a faint-hearted. Stay up awake, and hae time for all-body. See till it at nae chill pies back wrong wi wrong, but I dee fits guid for een and all. I be joyful, pray at all time, be thankful for all thin. At's fit almighty in Nitateen seeks o' ya. Dinna drew na spirit, dinna think lichtful of it spoken in the name o' a master. Pit all thing throw a mull, and hold on to fits guid, and hold awa fe fits ill. Myth the almighty o' peace mock ye pure throw and throw. Myth your sentient being, on your mind, on your body, be keep it faultless, till we're Master Jesus en Nitateen come. Him for calls ye is faithful, and he'll do it. My friends, pray for is. Gie my friends a pure kiss. I seek through a maester, at this scriven be read out till all were folkies there. And mercy o' were Master Jesus en Nitateen be wi ye. And that concludes Paul's first letter to the group in Thessalonica. We'll continue with his second letter to that same group in Thessalonica. A second scriven of Paul to Thessalonians. Chapter 1. Fe Paul, Silvanus, and Timothy to a folk o' Doric accordings in Thessalonica. In almighty were Father, and a Master Jesus en Nitateen. Mercy to ye and peace be wi ye fe almighty were Father, and a Master Jesus en Nitateen. Where thanks are I due to almighty for ye, my friends, as it should be, 'cause your faith is growing sae muckle, and your love ye have for een another kens nae bounds. That's why we're I blond about ye in a Doric accordings almighty, 'cause your faith and long-suffering has steed reated, though ye've had a sair effect in mony tribbles. Is shoes fu jeest a judgment almighty works out, and through your sufferings you'll be counted worthy o' a kingdom almighty. Almighty will see at them fa torment ye get their sarin, and he'll send ease to you at our facet until his tea. Van where Master Jesus en Nitateen is kithed for heaven, we his mighty sins, blazing with fire, fessin vengeance doon on them at dinna talk we almighty, and dinna dee fit the guid send our Master Jesus en Nitateen tells them. They'll be connacht to croconation, cut it off for a presence o' a Master and for his esteem and poor, when he comes on that day to talk a esteem for all his ain folk on honor for them fa believe. You'll be among them, 'cause ye took we a message, or the send we brought till ye. That's why we're I praying for ye. Aunt Almighty will think ye worthy o' his calling, and myth bring about ilka good thing, on ilka act at your faith mocks possible. At why, in name o' our Meester Jesus en Nitateen, myth be estimated through you, and you in him, all through a mercy o' our Almighty, on our Meester, on the Meester Jesus en Nitateen. Chapter 12. Nu I prig we ye, my friends, be coming over Meester Jesus en Nitateen, on his gathering is all gather till himself, dinna be fashed, or lose a heed over onything at said or pronounced, or ony litter at scriven, for is saying at the day o' a Meester is at hand. Dinna lot nae chill mislippen ye in ony way. A day winna come till second time as there's a fawn awa fae Almighty, and the ill chill should appear. A chill condemned to croconation. He raises himself being ony mictain on all religions, and sets himself up in Almighty's temple, and calls himself Almighty. Nae doubt ye'll mind, I'll tell ye all about this when I was wi' ye. Ye'll mind too, at I spoke about the hardened poor, I would work till a due time for him to appear. Coarseness is at work all round ye, though ye canna see it, but it canna tak a guid hard till it's hardened poor, at I spoke about is teen awa. When it happens, the ill chill will be seen, but the Meester Jesus will fooner him wi' a breath o' his moo, on the brickness o' his coming. The ill chill talks his poor fair deal, and knocks out all kind of false miracles unfairlies. He'll try all kind of products on them at are fae, 'cause they didna talk in a love and truth at where they salvet them. Say Almighty pits them under a delusion, say they believe a lie. Fit sign will happen is, them that didna believe a truth, but took we a lies, will be knocked. But we can I thank Almighty for youings, my friends, for I Meester lose. 'Cause fae a very start, Almighty has chosen to save ye, and to make ye pure, through your believing in a truth. Almighty called ye to us through a great sin we preach it till ye, seeking that ye share esteem our Meester Jesus en Nitateen. Say, my loons, stand stout, hold we a traditions you've been learnt, whether by word or moo, or by were letters till ye. Myth were Meester Jesus en Nitateen himself, and the Almighty were Father, for Lud is, and his gain is never eenen hertening, and muckle hope through his mercy. Ease your hearts and strengthen ye to die and say all that's good. Chapter 3. Nu in the Narration, my friends, pray for is. Say a Meester's word, myth row, out and fess, estim till him, as it's deemed to you. Myth ye be keep it clear o' course and unrighteous chills, 'cause nae body his a faith. But the Meester is faithful, and he'll strengthen ye and hold ye fae all ill. A Meester gies his cruseness in ye at ye baith die, and will die things at we tell ya. Myth the meester steer your hearts to love Aul Mither, on a long-suffering nitteteen. Nu, my friends, we seek at in the name of a meester Jesus nitteteen. How doet boot for onia moya, at din reason, on disne talk we are learning ye gotten is. Ye ken yourselves, fu ye mon follow his, on fu, von we were a moya, we never held a stromish. We never ate nabody's mate, we ut pyin for it. But work it were fingers till a bean, nicked on day. Say we wouldna be nae expense till ya. It's wisna cause we're nae rick to spear for we're keep, because we're winted to be a spjok till ya. When we were wee ya, we said till ya, gin only chill winna work, he winna et. We've been hearing there are chills amo ya, I causing the din. Nae dean a Hans turn, and shiving their nibs into other folks' business. Nu to them we say, throw a word of our meester Jesus nitteteen, saltel doen till your work, on net the mate ye've earned yourselves. But you, my friends, dinna weary o dean greed. On gin only chill disna talk we fit this letter says, talk note of all he is. Hard a wa for him till he's block affronted to himself. I dinna mean ye treat him as a fay, but just warn him as a brither. Nu, myth the master of peace, himself, gie ye a peace at all times, in all wise. A master be wi ye. Is greeting I've read in my ain hand, Paul. Also why I sign ilka letter. And mercy over Meester Jesus nitteteen be wi ye all. And that concludes Paul's letters to the groups in Thessalonica. Until next time, be encouraged, be of good cheer, and endure to the end.